This is my Martian Buzz Lightyear Power Wheels car. It's been modified to work off a radio control, and it runs on 6-volt batteries. Measure the running conditions of the Power Wheels car under different inclines, different surfaces, and record the starting currents, acceleration currents, and then resize and replace these 6-volt 4-amp batteries with some 12-volt batteries of bigger size. The 20-amp buck boost converter is installed there temporarily just to give it a place to sit. There are 2 batteries now mounted into the Power Wheels car just to make sure we've got the weight that we need. We're only going to use one for the test. For the ammeter test, what we're going to do, we're going to put up the amps. It is sitting on DC, so that's what we want, and I'm going to turn on the Bluetooth. The way it's wired is coming off the battery. The black wire is going to the buck power supply as well as the positive, and then from the positive part of the output it is going through the meter, the 20-amp ammeter port, then out of the meter into the main fuse of the Power Wheels car. And what we're going to do is use the Bluetooth to connect with the phone and do a profile of the amps consumed as I drive it around. To connect to the ammeter while I'm using the phone, I just hit the button. Hit the device, and there it is. It's showing our amps. I'm going to go to the graph and have it plot. And then when I'm done, I will do a save. Okay, so turn the remote on, get this on, and then we'll get started. What's really interesting is we start off no load, not doing anything, we're pulling a couple amps. So we may have some improvement in reducing load by getting some lights off, things like that. There we go. So here we go. Now that the data is taken, whoop, wrong button. Wrong button. Save data.